In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Wells Fargo debit card to Apple Pay Wallet. The process is simple and only takes a couple of minutes. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus sign in the top right corner to add a new card. You'll be given two options. Either use your iPhone's camera to scan your card or enter the card details manually. Once your information is in, select Wells Fargo as your bank. The app will then guide you through a quick verification step. You may receive a text, an email, or even a phone call, depending on the method you've set up with Wells Fargo. Enter the verification code when prompted, and once it's confirmed, your card will be successfully added. From there, you can set it as your default card if you'd like, or just keep it in your wallet for whenever you need it. And that's it. Now, your Wells Fargo debit card is ready to use with Apple Pay, making your checkouts faster, more secure, and much more convenient. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees, moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below